Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are in the world. I am in beautiful Quetta at the Bugti Stadium cricket grounds. I'm going to take you on a marvelous tour. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I also visited the Quetta Cricket Stadium. And it is equally as beautiful here with the mountains, but it's much bigger. The capacity here for fans is about 20,000. They have active programs that are uplifting the youth to try and find the talented cricket players of tomorrow. And that includes some young women that I'm going to be showing you in a bit as well. So come on, let's go for a tour. We're going to go to the locker rooms, to the pitch. Let's go see it all. Okay, one thing I didn't know until today is that hockey is the national sport of Pakistan. I don't know why, I've always thought it was cricket. So I am here at one of the two hockey stadiums that there are, and my dear friend Syed Amin is the head of the Balochistan Hockey Federation. And I've known Syed since 2020. When he used to be with the Levies. Now he's the personal secretary to the chief minister. He has helped me out of so many pinches. So Syed, hello, thank you for always helping out. And beautiful job with these amazing stadiums. They are absolutely beautiful.